Hi guys, welcome back to the cocktail vlog. I'm Steve the bartender, and it's cocktail time. So today I'm going to show you how to make a Parasol, which is basically just a banana daiquiri riff made in Glady's in Brooklyn. Glady's bar, Glady's restaurant, I'm not sure. Probably should have looked that up before I started the video, but let's get cracking straight on this drink. It's a daiquiri riff, so it's got rum. So I'm using Havana Club, straight from Cuba. You can use Bacardi if you've got that lying around at home. Change it over to a spice rum, add a little bit of complexity, probably some vanilla and some sweet notes as well, but I'm happy with using just my white rum. So 60 ml or 2 ounces of your white rum, followed by your banana liqueur. I'm using Giffard's, and if you can smell this, it literally smells like a freshly peeled banana. It's incredible. So 22.5 ml, 3/4 ounce. Add that straight in, and follow that with fresh lime juice. 22.5 ml, 3/4 ounce, and then fresh pineapple juice. So I've used a juicer to juice this pineapple juice, 15 ml, half an ounce. And then fill your cocktail shaker with ice and give it a good shake. Then strain it into your chilled cocktail glass. And whenever you shake pineapple juice, you tend to get this like really nice foam on top, this froth. And to finish it off, just some freshly grated nutmeg. Adds a little bit of spice and some warming notes to the drink. There you have a Parasol, a banana daiquiri riff. Cheers. Get those nutmeg and pineapple notes to it on the nose. The nutmeg's pretty overwhelming. Anytime you put that on top of the drink, adds a lot of spice, a lot of aroma. It's really good daiquiri. Very, very balanced, not overly sweet, not too sour. The banana flavor is really good. I have had a banana daiquiri before, but only using fresh banana, and I've got to say this is much better. But thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.